Musumbi William Ruto niwakulya Ngwatanio ya vamwe kati wa nthi syoonthe ilembetani ya Afrika kukwatana maunduni utandithya na mawia na maundu angi kuikithya kana ilembetani yasonga na mbee na kwailya maundu ukui Miako Masoko na kuete mawia kwi utalo munene wa mwika ilembetani yi aina na nthini wa muthenya wa keli wa mukutano la waete vamwe asumbi na atongo ikume ilembetani ya Afrika umbanola watoiwa nyumbani ya mbombanio ya KICC musini wa Ilovi. Musumbi ni wathingilila kana ilembeta yi na mali mbingi iliyotona kutethya nthi aingi na vethi wana ngwatanio na kuthukuma avamwe akenya makaila kabindani kau. Musumbi ni wawetakana muwa wa nthi mailembeta yi ni wanewe kwithiwa mustalini wa mbee kithitoni cha kwailya maendeleo na muyana wa Afrika osea kimanzie na mauvo
aine na nzini wa muthenya wa keli wa umbano ula wetete vamwe asumbi na atongo ikivothukanio ilembetani ii ya Afrika kunenanithya yulu wa kuthi na mbee na muyana wa ilembeta ii nyumbani ya mbombanio ya KICC musini wa Ilovi. Musumbi William Ruto na wetakana yune vinda ya nthi sya Afrika kukwatana na kuthukuma vamwe kwailya ilembeta ii kwa miladi ya kwailya miako malelu iwanda na kuete mawia kwi utalo munene wa mwika mailembeta ii.
In moments such as this, fragmentation cannot be the answer, nor isolation the strategy. The times before us demand stronger cooperation, renewed multilateralism, and partnerships grounded not on hierarchy, but in sovereign equality, mutual respect, and shared responsibility.
Owiyovo Musumbi William Ruto aiwetakana nthi mbingi ilembetani ii siithitwe siikwatya muno mikovo kuma vengini wa nthi yoonthe ondu umwe na nthi ingi. Aiwetakana yune vinda ya ilembeta ii ya Afrika kuka vamwe na kutumia mali ila ivo kwiyungamia nthini wa muyana wayo vatie kwikwatya mikovo.
The current international financial system remains structurally unequal. African countries continue to face disproportionately high borrowing costs, constrained access to concessional financing, and distorted risk perceptions that are frequently disconnected from economic realities that exist in this continent. The bias embedded within global credit rating systems continue to penalize African economies, increase the cost of capital, and discourage long-term investment into productive sectors.
Kavindani kau Musumbi ingi aiwetakana nthini wa muyana wa Afrika nombaka muwo wa enenzi withio mustalini wa mbee aikulya ngwatanio ya vamwe ya kwimia muwo nthini wa nthi syoonthe sya ilembeta ii.
Peace requires confronting the structural drivers of instability, poverty, exclusion, unemployment, inequality, weak institutions, climate vulnerability, and the absence of economic opportunity, particularly for young people. That is why strengthening Africa's strategic autonomy in matters of peace and security remains an imperative.
Uneni wa Musumbi William Ruto ni wendania na watongo ikivothukanio ebo mwandiki munene ngwatanio ya nthi syoonthe UN Antonio Guterres.
Africa is not waiting. Africa is moving and Africa is leading.
Ngirivoti ya vilingu wa Movo Mutongo TV osea kimanzi.